Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make restaurant style pomfret tandoori or the grilled pomfret easily at home by following some easy steps. If you want to enjoy something effortless and indulgent, you have to try this tandoori pomfret recipe at home. And I'll be making this recipe today with step-by-step instructions. And this delicious tandoori pomfret recipe is a must for people who love seafood recipes. And it is really easy to prepare without putting in much efforts. So without any further delay, let's start today's recipe. First, I have taken 2 medium size of pomfret fish and I'm gonna make fine incisions on the fishes on the both sides. And as you can see, I have already showed the dry masalas that we will use to make the flavorful combo of the spices for marination. And the fusion of these spices will make this pomfret tandoori truly amazing. From the left, I have taken 1 teaspoon of every spices like coriander powder, salt to taste, red paprika or Kashmiri lal mirch, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder and hung curd. Now in a bowl, I'm gonna mix this all. And here I am adding half teaspoon of mustard oil for its pungently aromatic smell and some kasuri methi also, and I'm crushing the leaves a little before adding. You can also use roasted besan of 1 tablespoon also if you want totally crisp tandoori pomfret, but I love the moist tandoori so I skipped it. And even you can add some fresh cream too, though it's optional. And we are done with making with a thick nice paste. Next, we are gonna coat the fishes in the marinade from the both sides very well. Make sure you insert the masala even into the incisions. So when you have the fish, the flavors also accentuate from the inside as well. See, I am using my hand for doing this. You can use also brush, but for marination I always prefer hand, as you need to apply the spices mixture even through the incisions really well. In this way, you can also grill some other fishes by using the same method. So here are the fishes that are well coated in the tandoori masala. Now we will be keeping it in freezer for minimum 1 hour. Fishes are out from the freezer and the spices are well set on the fish skin. Now we will prepare the griller tray by brushing only half teaspoon of mustard oil. See, I have used only 1 teaspoonful of mustard oil in the whole recipe. So you can certainly assume the tandoori pomfret is a perfect balance of taste and health with almost no oil. Rubbing the leftover spices on the fishes. But if you don't have an OTG or a griller at home, no worries, cause I'm gonna share 2 more methods if you don't have a griller at home, but the taste will also be the same. And in griller, keep the fishes for 25 minutes in 250 degrees Celsius. Now what if you don't have a griller? Take this type of a tweezer to pick the fish and grill it on open flame on the gas oven. Though it will be really time consuming, but trust me, it gives the ultimate smoky flavor to the fish at which even the griller fails. But what if you can't hold the fish for a long? No worries, grab this kind of griller pan, and you can use normal non-stick pan too. But griller pan leaves certain stripes on the fish skin which makes the fish looks wise good. Just brush a little oil and keep it on low flame for 10 minutes from each side. And trust me, there will be no compromise on the taste. And try this recipe in any way I showed today. So today, for saving my time, I finally made the recipe in my oven, and look at this fish. Isn't it looking just lip smacking? You can serve it with the mint chutney and drizzle it with some lime juice, and you can prepare this seafood recipe for your special Sunday brunch or the dinner parties, and I assure you that your culinary skills will must be applauded. I hope you loved watching my today's recipe and do give this a try, and if you are new then please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and next time I will see you with another delicious recipe. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.